Rhode Island, if you're going to work and you're struck crossing the street at a parking lot that your employer told you to park at, can you receive comp benefits? The answer may surprise you. So back in 1982, a man named Joao Branco worked for the Leviton Manufacturing Company in Warwick, Rhode Island. They had a plant over on Jefferson Boulevard, and the plant itself had an employee parking lot, but they also owned another lot across the street on Jefferson Boulevard. So Mr. Branco would normally work the 7:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock shift, and on this particular day, he drives to work, parks in the parking lot that his employer tells him to park at, which is across Jefferson Boulevard. Gets out of his car, crosses the street, and boom. Unfortunately, he's struck while crossing the street over on Jefferson Boulevard. So what happens? He makes a claim, and his employer, or rather their insurance company, says, no, not covered because he hadn't arrived to work yet. Even though he was 10 minutes early, he was hit crossing the street, and he was not hit on any property owned by the company. So what happens? Well, the workers' comp court decides, no, that's not true. Normally, we don't allow compensation for people going and coming. But in this case, there are many factors that were in the employee's favor. One being that the lot itself was owned by his employer, and two, that his employer knew he would be parking there and reasonably could have foreseen that their employees, while instructed to park across the street, may get struck by cars. So naturally, the workers' compensation carrier did appeal the case all the way up to the Rhode Island Supreme Court, and the Rhode Island Supreme Court agreed and with the employee and said, nope, he's covered. So there you have it. If you're hit on your way to work, you park your car, you're crossing the street. In this case, now these comp cases are very fact specific. You can recover, but you want to talk to an attorney. It's not guaranteed. This case is from 1982, but it is relevant today, and it's still good law. So until next time, be well. Take care. If you're injured, give me a call. Please feel free to share this video to educate your friends and family. And until next time, have a good day.